Curious about how to use AI to create passive income streams? There's a free training that explains how to do it step by step. This web class is run by Glenn Kosky, who's helped thousands of people build online incomes using automation and AI. In this session, you'll learn how to monetize other people's content using AI, how to set up high-ticket affiliate commissions, how to get started with no upfront cost, how to work just 37 minutes a day to keep it running. How can AI do the heavy lifting in your online business? How do you choose the right products to promote? How do you scale up to $10,000 a month? Click my link now to sign up for the free class and discover how AI can help you earn smarter, not harder.